Chef Carla's kitchen. Once upon a time, in a cozy little town called Flavorville, there lived a talented and cheerful chef named Chef Carla. Chef Carla had curly black hair, twinkling green eyes, and a white chef's hat that she wore proudly. She loved cooking and creating delicious dishes for the people of Flavorville, and her kitchen was always filled with wonderful aromas and happy chatter. Every morning, Chef Carla would wake up early and walk to her restaurant, Carla's Kitchen. The restaurant was a charming little place with colorful tables, a big glass window, and a sign that read, "Welcome to Carla's Kitchen, where love and food meet." Inside, there were shelves filled with cookbooks, jars of spices, and fresh ingredients ready to be turned into delicious meals. One sunny morning, Chef Carla had a special idea. She wanted to teach the children of Flavorville about cooking and the joy of making food for others. She decided to host a cooking class for kids at her restaurant. Chef Carla put up posters around town, inviting all the children to join her cooking class. When the day arrived, a group of excited children gathered outside the restaurant, eager to learn from Chef Carla. "Good morning, everyone," Chef Carla greeted them with a big smile. "Welcome to Carla's Kitchen. Today, we're going to learn how to make a delicious and healthy pizza. Are you ready to become little chefs?" "Yes," the children cheered. Chef Carla led the children into the kitchen, where she had set up a long table with all the ingredients they would need: flour, water, yeast, olive oil, tomatoes, cheese, and a variety of colorful vegetables. "First, we need to make the dough," Chef Carla explained. "We mix flour, water, yeast, and a little olive oil together." She showed the children how to measure the ingredients and mix them in a big bowl. The children followed along, giggling as they got their hands messy with the dough. "Great job, everyone. Now, we need to let the dough rest and rise," Chef Carla said. "While we wait, let's make the tomato sauce." Chef Carla handed out aprons and guided the children to another table where they chopped tomatoes, garlic, and basil. Cooking is not just about following recipes. It's also about using fresh ingredients and adding a pinch of love, she said with a wink. As the tomato sauce simmered on the stove, filling the kitchen with a wonderful aroma, Chef Carla taught the children how to prepare the toppings for their pizzas. They sliced bell peppers, mushrooms, and olives, and grated cheese. "Cooking is a lot of fun, isn't it?" Chef Carla asked. "Yes, it's so much fun," said a little girl named Lily. "I love cutting the vegetables." "Me too," said a boy named Max. "I can't wait to eat the pizza." Once the dough had risen, Chef Carla showed the children how to roll it out into pizza bases. Each child got their own piece of dough to shape and stretch. Some made round pizzas, while others made heart-shaped or even star-shaped pizzas. "Now comes the best part: adding the toppings," Chef Carla announced. The children spread the tomato sauce on their pizza bases, sprinkled cheese on top, and decorated them with the colorful vegetables they had prepared. As the pizzas baked in the oven, Chef Carla gathered the children around and told them about her journey to becoming a chef. "When I was little, just like you, I loved helping my grandmother in the kitchen. She taught me how to cook with love and creativity. That's why I became a chef, to share my love for cooking with others." The children listened intently, inspired by Chef Carla's story. "We want to cook with love too," they said. When the pizzas were ready, Chef Carla took them out of the oven, and the children's eyes lit up with excitement. The pizzas smelled delicious, and the cheese was melted to perfection. "Bon appetit, little chefs," Chef Carla said, as she handed out the pizzas. The children took their first bites and savored the flavors. "This is the best pizza ever," exclaimed Lily. "Thank you, Chef Carla," said Max, with a mouth full of pizza. Chef Carla smiled warmly. "You all did an amazing job. Remember, cooking is not just about making food. It's about sharing and enjoying it with others." As the children finished their pizzas, Chef Carla gave each of them a special certificate that read, "Junior Chef, Carla's Kitchen." The children were thrilled and promised to keep cooking at home. As the day came to an end, Chef Carla felt a warm glow in her heart. She knew that she had not only taught the children how to cook but also shared the joy and love that comes with making and sharing food. That night, as Chef Carla cleaned up her kitchen, she thought about all the happy faces and the delicious pizzas they had made together. She knew that cooking was a way to bring people together, create memories, and spread happiness. Moral of the story asterisk. Cooking is a fun and creative activity that brings people together. Sharing and enjoying food made with love can create wonderful memories and spread happiness. And so, Chef Carla's kitchen continued to be a place of love, laughter, and delicious food. Chef Carla knew that every meal she made was a chance to bring joy to others, and that was the best part of being a chef. She looked forward to many more cooking adventures with the children of Flavorville, always ready to teach and share the magic of cooking.